how to make her choose you, even though she has many options. Are you there, relationship enthusiasts? Welcome to my channel. I am going to teach you how to make a woman who has options, men surrounding her, going after her, some of them carrying her back, to drop those men and choose you as a man. My brother, make sure you pay attention. The first thing you must make sure you do is to be confident. Did you hear that? Yes. Assuming you are an African man and you meet this lady who is so sophisticated, who behaves like she came down from the moon or from the star or from the sun, and you see her behaving in a particular way. Let's say, for instance, her intonation, she speaks like Oyibo, and you don't do that. Make sure you don't fake. Speak the way you talk. Pick that words. Crack it like nuts. Pam, pam, pam. Make sure you are yourself. Assuming you are there, you want to eat with her, and she eats with mma na ngaji. Make sure you wash your hand, my brother. Use your hand. Take your eba. Take your soup. Swallow it like an African man. Make sure you are proud of who you are. She will watch you and she will nod her head. Another thing you must do is be authentic. Authenticity is attractive. Never you show yourself to be who you are not. Never you tell her where you have not gone to. Never you try to impress her by making her believe who you are not. Do you understand? Make sure you show originality. Show her who you are. Women are attracted to men who are men. Men who are original. Men who don't look at them. Do you understand? Make sure you keep to it. The next thing you must do to make her choose you out of other options before her is show genuine interest in any question she asks you or whatever contribution she has to make. Make sure you answer her genuinely, never fake. Also listen actively and never try to be distracted. Women are very cautious when it comes to this, when it comes to choosing a man who will go along with them, who they will go along with. Do you understand? Women are very easy to get, only if you know these tips. The next thing you must know is have your own life. Never be pressured by her job, by her presence. Pursue your own passion and never make her the creator of your universe. Never change your passion because of her. Remember, at that early stage, it is not necessary. You are trying to get her. The next thing you must know how to do is be mysterious. You know that. Make sure you are not always available. Let her not know, or you do. Sometimes show up, other times withdraw. By this, you will put her on her toes to begin to wonder, who is this man? Never expose everything about yourself to her at that early stage. This is very important. The next thing you must know how to do if you want to make her chase you among other options, leaving them and saying, this man is special, is take care of yourself. Women naturally love neat men. They love men who has good build. Do you understand? Take care of yourself mentally and physically. Take care of your mental health. It boosts your attractiveness to any woman. If a woman sees a man who looks elegant, dressed well, in his suit, no matter how the suit is, I'm not talking about designers, but well-fitted suit, such a woman will begin to take note of these things. Women don't like men who are jaga jaga. Do you understand? I like cute men. When I was, growing up, I watch men the way they talk. I watch the way they walk, even the way they dress. These are very, very necessary. The next thing you must do to get a woman who has other men around her is to be supportive. Yes, when I say supportive, I don't say that you must go and break a bank to make sure you support her. You can support her with the little you have. You can support her by being there whenever she's in need, whenever she needs help, whenever she is down, whenever she needs encouragement. Do you understand? These are necessary things women look out for. Women are the weaker sex, and whenever they are in need, they need a man by their side. If you can do that by supporting her, she will value you more than others. I remember when I was young, this story, I've not forgotten. My senior sister was very sick. 3 men were coming for her hand in marriage. I remembered one would come with fruits. The other one would come empty-handed. But this particular one always come, take her to hospital. If you are the one, that my sister, who will you choose? As a small girl, I noticed that the one that comes to, dash us money, take her to hospital, was my best. I loved him so much. And he was the one I even recommended. I said, Nda, I want you to marry that one that used to dash me money. Imagine long throat. And it came to pass. Everybody signed for that man. Be supportive also by celebrating her success. Another thing you must do is to create fun. You understand? Create something that will go a long way in her memory. Plan fun. Give her unique experience that she will keep remembering. Yes, even as I am in marriage, I keep remembering so many things we did when we wanted to marry. Do you understand? When we were courting, I sit down to begin to remember them. And sometimes I will go to my husband and say, do you remember this and this? What and what that happened? This place and that place we went to together. Make sure you create fun. It will go a long way in her memory. She won't forget it. The next thing you must do is never chase her. Even while doing all these things, focus on your life. Own your life and let her own her own life. Do you know that sometimes less is more? When you are scarce, she will begin to have that hunger to seeing you and staying with you. Another thing you must do is make sure you dress to make her notice you wherever you are. Brush your teeth. Neatness is next to godliness. Make sure you smell cute. Smell nice. Women are attracted to men who are very neat. If you do these things, just allow her to be. The result will soon be announced. Make sure you remember me. Call me through the comment section. Come to the comment section and announce to us what happened afterward. Make sure you go out and get her and let your dreams unfold. We are waiting for you in the comment section. Yes, I have come to the end of today's teaching. If you have something to add to this wonderful teaching, kindly put it down in the comment section. We are here to learn. If you are seeing me for the first time or you're watching without subscribing, kindly subscribe to your sister's channel. My returning viewers and subscribers, wherever you are, I love all of you. Kindly give the channel a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so that you get my videos every time I post it. Kindly share this video to all your friends. Remember, we are here always. Love you. Bye-bye.